Hello to everybody, we are here today at Crazyonga, late Sunday feed after a very hot day on the island of Niue. So obviously church today, we went to Hakupu Church. That's all good bro, thanks.
Just lighting.
There you go. Shortage of food tonight because this place was packing and busy. Great place to bring your family on a Sunday night. There's a slight breeze here today, but I guess just getting away from the heat from Hakupu today. It's just good to be around next to the sea. But yeah, food. I don't know if you can see that, but very reasonable price. You got $18 for burger and chips, otherwise $15 for burger, and then the fish meal is 30 bucks, fish and chips. Fish focaccia is $18 and chips is $8. So
One more coming.
this is our feed for tonight. We've got cheeseburger there,
Beef burger.
beef burger, looks pretty nice. And then we've got our bowl of fries here.
Is it a cheeseburger? And wait, no, that's another
There's
beef.
another beef burger. So
Just
hope you can see that. Freshly cooked. I don't know if you can hear the pan sizzling. Anyways, if you are visiting Niue, do check out Washaway and Avaseli Beach. Open on Sundays from 11 until they run out of food. So sweet. We're not getting our extra fries today, but they've offered give us a extra burger. So great service, good people. Bit of a view there, but I almost said dark so you can't see that. Anyways, check it out if you're on the island. Wallahi, koe kia.